The Garden Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young girl named Lily. Lily loved vegetables. She liked to eat them, but more than that, she enjoyed growing them in her garden. One sunny morning, Lily decided to plant some seeds. She had carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers. She took her little shovel and went to her garden. First, she dug small holes in the soil. Then, she placed the seeds in each hole and covered them with dirt. Lily watered the seeds every day. She sang to them and told them stories. "Please grow strong and healthy," she said with a smile. After a few weeks, tiny green shoots began to appear. Lily was very happy. Every day, she checked her garden. The carrots grew tall with green leaves. The tomato plants had bright flowers, and the cucumbers climbed on the fence. Lily was excited to see her vegetables grow. One day, Lily noticed that the carrots were ready to pick. She pulled them out of the ground. They were orange and crunchy. Next, she picked some tomatoes and cucumbers. She had a big basket full of fresh vegetables. Lily took her vegetables to the village market. Everyone admired her garden. They said, "These are the best vegetables we have ever seen." Lily felt proud. She sold her vegetables and earned some money. From that day, Lily continued to grow vegetables in her garden. She learned that with love and care, good things would grow. And she always shared her vegetables with her family and friends.